Hey, it's Shane. Welcome. Guys, today I have some exciting news because I want to introduce our brand new limited edition line that we are calling the Blackland Workshop. So today I'm going to explain what the workshop is, how it works, and then we'll take a look at the very first workshop product. As most of you know, a few months ago we acquired a machine shop run by my friend and now business partner Tyler. One of the goals of that move was to allow Blackland the freedom to make whatever we want. Instead of having to always make products in large quantities, we can produce small batches of niche products that we couldn't otherwise justify producing before. And we're calling that small batch program the workshop. The workshop is a place for us to experiment. Sometimes it will be a current design in a new material or finish, and sometimes it'll be an all new design. And sometimes it will be a product completely unrelated to shaving entirely. This is our testing ground to be creative and to explore different concepts. And every workshop product will be called a batch because they're made in batches. Batch 1, batch 2, etc. And while every batch is limited, it doesn't necessarily mean that we'll never produce that product again. Since the workshop is a place for testing, we might find that a workshop product deserves another batch. Or maybe a batch product might find its way into the permanent lineup eventually. And it won't always be expensive premium stuff either. We have ideas for lower cost workshop products too. In short, the workshop is a way for us to play and to get all the weird ideas we have in our heads out into the world. The workshop also comes with some special rules. Batches are strictly limited in quantity, there'll be no returns for batches, and there are no customizations or modifications. Workshop batches come as they are, with very few options, if any. So with that, let's take a look at the Blackland Workshop Batch 1. Here is the Workshop Batch 1. Now this is something that customers have asked us for a lot over the years, and we've always wanted to make, but we are finally making the Blackbird Bronze as Batch 1 of our new workshop. Batch 1 is machined from solid C954 bronze and polished to a mirror finish. It comes with the standard safety bar base plate, the standard length handle, and the matching stand. All produced and polished in-house here at Blackland HQ. And bronze is a really interesting material. It shares a lot in common with brass, but it's a bit stronger and, in my opinion, a far more attractive material. Bronze is a little bit denser than stainless steel, so this razor comes in at about 101 grams. And while some batches in the future may be engraved with a serial number, we've opted to keep batch 1 clean and simple with no engravings. Owners will receive a signed card showing the batch number along with the serial number of their individual razor and stand. Now bronze patinas really beautifully, and I wanted to show you this razor which I polished about a week ago and we've left out to show that patina is starting to develop. And your razor will be polished right before shipping to reduce that patina, but I wanted you to see what it looks like about a week in. Compared to brass, bronze develops patina. It's a bit richer, has a more red tone to it. In my opinion, it's far more beautiful. And we opted for a polished finish because it really makes the bronze pop, and it also allows the patina to develop a bit more evenly. And if you decide the patina isn't for you, you can always just polish this right back up to its shiny original finish. And look, bronze is a wonderful material, and I think this might be the most beautiful Blackbird we've ever made, in my opinion. All right, guys, as you can tell, I'm really excited about the workshop, and I'm equally excited for Batch 1. I know this is something that we're gonna have a lot of fun with, and I know you guys are really gonna like some of the creative, interesting things we have coming up. Batch 1 will be available on Wednesday, September 18th, which is also my birthday, at 2 p.m. Pacific. And we only made 70 of these sets, so don't wait around too long. And that's 70. As always, please leave a comment or shoot us an email to support@blacklandrazors.com and let us know what you think about the workshop. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.